Think about the folding fan. It's been the same for thousands of years. Usually it's just wood and paper, it's fragile, it's a bit basic. But what if we brought this ancient tool into the 21st century? Meet the COMANDI Titanium EDC folding fan. This isn't just a way to stay cool. It is a fusion of classical charm and modern engineering. It's a groundbreaking innovation for your everyday carry. Most fans on the market are flat and flimsy. This gadget changes everything. It's crafted from titanium grade 5. That means it's incredibly strong but surprisingly light. The 7-inch version weighs only 126 grams. The larger 9-inch version is just 173 grams. Whether you're hiking a mountain or walking city streets, you won't even feel it in your pocket. Let's talk about the design. Unlike standard fans, this tool features a full curved surface. The bones are shaped to fit the natural curve of your palm. It feels amazing to hold. Every edge is rounded for safety and comfort. No sharp corners here. The surface uses a unique combination of Xuan paper and gold foil. It looks elegant and stays durable. For the finish, you have options. There is a sleek stone-washed version treated with ceramic beads for a smooth feel. Or you can go with the anodized versions in vibrant blue or green. If you want something truly special, there's a hand-carved version where craftsmen etch intricate patterns into the ribs. This tool is built to last. Titanium is corrosion-resistant. It won't rust in the rain or humidity. It's also flexible. The ribs can bend and snap back into place perfectly. Opening it is a dream. There are brass washers at the center of each rib. This makes the flick of your wrist feel like silk. Want it tighter or looser? Just twist the rivet. You don't even need tools to adjust the tension. But wait, there's more for the gear heads. It features 4 slots for luminous vials. You can add tritium or glow tubes so you can find it in the dark. It even has pendant holes on the side for your favorite lanyards. This gadget isn't just a promotional gimmick. It is a high-tech take on a piece of history. It's durable, portable, and incredibly stylish. If you're looking for a unique tool that combines art with utility, this is it. It's the perfect blend of tradition and tech. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more educational looks at unique gear. You can find the link to this product in the description below. Thanks for watching.